Following the statement from the proscribed Hnlc, the Khnam Mla of North Shillong constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, had offered his views on the decision of the outfit for peace talks with the state and central governments. Adelbert Nongrum expressed his appreciation to the members of the Hnlc for having taken a major step towards peace talks, which he feels will once again lead to the assurance of safety and peace amongst the citizens of the state, where fear, bloodshed and insecurity will remain a thing of the past. Nongrum was also of the opinion that the state government should take this offer seriously and should speed up the process so that young people will no longer need to resort to unfair means to address various issues so that peace prevails across Meghalaya.
Hagabari ko so ban ai ka jingkhumli rai ko borong du butla lot bar sim ni karai mo kani kani ka ba mila khimilan ti aslam ba mar mi suthu ba ho ilai I abang compare ki malten group si ni or state kuma so lo kim point ta ka thong ko den rei only way out wala warai ta ka jing so wal warai ta ki jing hanglo wani so ki ka ba kajing alu kajong kiri bani ka pangira hapan ai ke jero pada so de government kani batshim ni ka jingkli khamta mo ni so ya diga jikwa kajing tharang kajong ki khamta pakim bu ni condition pada so thu bakani kan kanyalam me ban poi shita ka thong kana moila bani I state kajong I masai si ni ban ma ta jesu bakarum dan ka kajing upslam mo ban khamta ko bangi ki por ibalik ngim kwa shi ya ko bangi yakri ki bagina wanja ring kwa yang bani I ta kijing kala khap ta me banglama de san posnam nang ni shikhamat ngadi ki jikarna government kadi bande rak jok khamram kadi state kham kani ngadi ko ka achievement mo jok state di nomor ngim kwa yang bagi kon sama ki jongi kin sha yalam bakra ngim kwa bi kon sama jongi bagi khon de ki wi par nganti ka bar wara ki chung sanam lega suthu bakani ka lokal nganti ka ba ngani I pa de ta kijing karben ka ban one sai si mun yo ban kam try ta kijing so
The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangmar, while addressing reporters on the issue, stated that the MDA government has welcomed the move made by the banned militant outfit, the Hnlc, and the process of identifying an interlocutor is on. At the same time, Sangmar informed that an official communication from the Hnlc to the state government is awaited.
The government of Meghalaya has already started going through different names for interlocutor. And we welcome the step that has been taken, and we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release, because as a government we'll have to get an official communication. But while we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also. And once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India, and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes. And as I said, this is a welcome move. We are all wanting peace to be there in the long run.